Potensic ATOM SE drone review. Budget 4K drone or just another toy? Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, the channel where we test drive the latest tech so you don't waste your time or your money. Today, we're talking about the Potensic ATOM SE, a lightweight GPS drone that promises 4K video, electronic image stabilization, and advanced features like return to home, follow me mode, and waypoint flying, all in a drone that's under 250 grams. So, is this a true budget-friendly alternative to the DJI Mini line? Or is it just another drone that looks great on paper but can't fly the talk? Well, I've been testing the ATOM SE for about 2 weeks now, and I've got a lot to say. Let's dive in. First impressions and build quality. Right out of the box, the ATOM SE makes a strong first impression. It comes in a sleek, hard-shell carry case with neatly organized compartments for the drone, controller, extra props, and batteries. The drone itself is compact, folding down to fit easily in the palm of your hand. And here's the kicker. This thing weighs just 245 grams, so you don't need to register it with the FAA in the US, which is a huge win for beginners or hobbyists. The body is plastic, yes, but it feels sturdy, definitely a step up from toy drones. The arms unfold smoothly, and the propellers are durable enough to survive a few gentle crashes. Let's be real, if you're new to drones, you're going to crash it at least once. The controller and setup experience. The controller is comfortable and intuitive, with a built-in phone clamp that fits most devices, even with a case on. The joysticks are responsive, and the buttons are clearly labeled. Setup was refreshingly simple. Install the PotensicPro app, power on the drone and controller, sync them up, and you're good to go. There's also GPS calibration, which takes about 30 seconds. It's important, don't skip it. Once calibrated, the drone locks on to GPS satellites and stabilizes beautifully in the air. It won't drift around like those $50 drones that try to fly away the second you let go of the sticks. Camera performance, 4K with EIS. Let's talk about what you're really here for. The 4K camera with electronic image stabilization, EIS. So, is it true 4K? Technically, yes. You get 4K video at 30 frames per second and 12 megapixel still photos. The footage is detailed, vibrant, and definitely usable. EIS helps smooth out minor shakes, especially when you're flying in normal or slow modes. Now, is it cinema grade? No. The lens is fixed. You don't get a 3-axis mechanical gimbal like you would with a DJI Mini 3, but for the price, the stability is surprisingly good. The EIS does a solid job on light wind days, but it's not magic. If you fly in high winds or make quick, jerky movements, you'll still get some jitter. Photos are solid for casual use, nice color balance, decent sharpness, but don't expect DSLR-level dynamic range. This is a drone for capturing memories, not making Hollywood films. Flight performance and stability. This thing flies really well. We've got 3 flight modes: video, slow and stable, normal, and sport, which unlocks a max speed of about 35 miles per hour. In sport mode, it's actually kind of thrilling. It climbs fast, responds quickly, and stays rock steady thanks to GPS and optical flow sensors underneath. I tested it in open fields, near trees, and even on a beach with some mild crosswinds. It held its own like a champ. There's also altitude hold, one-key takeoff landing, and return-to-home features that worked consistently in my tests. I intentionally flew out past the range and let the battery drop below 20%, and the drone automatically returned to its launch point within a few feet of where it took off. Range and battery life. Let's talk numbers. The Potensic ATOM SE has a maximum control range of 4 kilometers. That's around 2.5 miles. In real-world conditions, with trees and buildings, I got a reliable 1 to 1.5 kilometers before video started to lag slightly. Still, very respectable for a sub-$300 drone. Battery life is even more impressive. You get up to 31 minutes per battery, and that's not just marketing fluff. I got about 27 to 29 minutes per flight consistently. Even better, you can buy the Fly More combo, which includes 2 batteries, giving you nearly an hour of total flight time. Smart modes and app features. The PotensicPro app gives you access to intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, keeps the drone locked on you as you move. Waypoint Flight lets you map out a flight path. Circle Mode, fly around a point of interest for cinematic shots. Return to Home automatically flies back when you hit a button or lose signal. These modes actually work pretty well. Follow Me is a little slow to react at times, but it's usable for walking, jogging, or biking. Don't expect it to keep up with a car. The app also displays flight data like altitude, GPS signal, and battery percentage in real time, which helps you fly smarter and safer. What we loved. Let's break down the pros. Under 250 grams, no FAA registration needed. 4K camera with EIS, good video for casual creators. Excellent flight time, up to 31 minutes per battery. Smart GPS features, return to home, follow me, waypoint flying. Beginner friendly, easy to set up, stable in flight. Compact and portable, great for travel and outdoor adventures. What could be better? Of course, no gadget is perfect. Here are a few cons. No mechanical gimbal, limits how smooth your footage can be. No obstacle avoidance, fly with caution, especially indoors. Follow Me isn't super responsive, works best at slow speeds. Fixed camera angle, can't tilt it mid-flight. Mediocre low-light performance, daytime flights are best. Final verdict and rating. So is the Potensic ATOM SE worth it? If you're looking for a portable, beginner-friendly GPS drone that shoots solid 4K footage, offers a ton of smart features, and doesn't require FAA registration, this drone punches way above its weight class. No, it's not a DJI Mini 4 Pro killer. But for casual creators, travelers, students, or first-time drone users, it delivers a ton of value for the price. My final rating? 8.5 out of 10. It's not flawless, but it's reliable, capable, and honestly, fun to fly. Just manage your expectations around stabilization and low-light performance, and you'll be very happy with what this drone can do. Want to check it out? If you're thinking about picking up the Potensic ATOM SE, I've added a link in the description where you can see the current price on Amazon and check out more reviews. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. And if you've got questions or want me to compare this with another drone, drop a comment below. This is Modern Gadget Guy, and I'll see you in the next one.